yeah, now I'm kind of chilling with my boyfriend, but he's actually not here right now because he ran to the store. So basically what's about to happen, I've already been through half of my trip. You know how I said I was leaving for like 10 days? So I already went through half of that. The other half is we're going back to where I'm from, which is Baltimore. We're going back to Maryland. We're doing a road trip. So that should be fun. I hope to get some footage. Not too much, but you know, a little something just so that, you know, I don't know, we'll see. But we're road tripping down to where I'm from, and then we are continuing the road trip down to where he's from because we're actually going to his high school reunion. And I wanted to just, you know, get a little, what is it called, exposition in there so that you know what's going on and I'm not just recording, because I was just going to start recording. Well, I already did record like a little bit, but you know, I didn't want to just start recording and be like, who are these people? Like, well, who is this person? Like, it's my boyfriend, and yeah, we've been together we're coming up on a year now, and I'm not gonna say too much, but he's a great guy. Okay, so last summer, I went on a trip with my friends, and rewind. This is why I went. I went on the trip because I've been afraid of roller coasters all of my life, and my friends, they told me that that wasn't gonna fly anymore and that I need to grow up. So last summer they took me to Cedar Point, which is in Ohio. So I went and I had a really good time, and I was riding the roller coasters and conquering my fears, and it was like amazing. And like the day after that was over, this app popped up on Instagram that I had never seen before, and I don't know, I was just in the mindset of, you know, why not? Like, I just conquered all those fears. I'm not like home, so who knows? Like, I wasn't expecting anything. So I downloaded the app. My strategy was that I'm not gonna look at pictures, I'm gonna look at people's bios. And there were people, stop laughing. There were people writing out these like long, extravagant, like beautiful bios. And I was just like, okay, yes. And then I got to this one profile in particular, and their bio was so bad. It literally just said save 7 years. But with this one, I decided to look at the picture. And it was a picture of him, and he was smiling with his degree. And I was like, he looks so happy with his degree. So I swiped. And then it was a match. It was a match.
Okay, you're telling your side. What about
because, well, you have to tell your own side.
No.
This is my video. Mr. I don't want to be on camera. So I'm going to tell it. And I'm going to make up details. Like, there were so many guys after me.
Yeah.
Anyway, so after we matched, because he swiped first, so you know, that's how you match. Like, somebody swipes, and then if you swipe and it's a match, that means that they liked you first. So he swiped first. So yeah, basically, I don't know, he kind of matched my flow a little bit, and I was like, oh, like I don't know, I wasn't expecting it. So I kept talking to him. I was like, he's interesting. And then it was time for me to go home. So when we matched, the only reason that we really matched is because he was like within a certain circumference, a certain mileage within me, because, you know, I was in Ohio at the time. And he was in Ohio at the time. Oh wait, you have to tell that part. Maybe he'll tell his part later. But basically he was in Ohio at the same time as me, and that's why we matched. So I'm about to go back home, and he notices that my mileage is getting further and further and further away. And he's just like, yeah, like, where do you live? And I'm like, Baltimore. And this man lives in Indiana. Like, so that was already kind of crazy. Yeah, he thought I was from Ohio. And yeah, we didn't know that we were getting into a long distance type situation when we had first swiped. But well, I guess I did. Wait a minute. I knew.
You knew.
I knew. But he did not know. But the crazy thing is,
I was blindsided.
well, you were in Ohio too at the same time.
Yeah, but
But you're not
still.
from Ohio.
Oh, from Ohio to Indiana, that's not a long distance.
Yeah,
That's
it's like
an
an hour. But I ended up being like 10 hours away on a bad day, 8 hours on a good day. So, yeah. And that began our long distance relationship.
The
Yeah.
thing to call it.
Well, because
Try to butter
technically,
it up.
yeah. Okay, so we're now like 2 hours and some change out. Don't look at the camera. Okay, so we were playing this game called Lupa, which is a made-up game. And basically, what you do is you say, wait, what is it? You say, I think it'd be easier to like do an example. So I don't know. No, I knew what it was, but I didn't know how to explain what you do. So say you see that red car over. No. Say you're looking for a yellow sign. The first person to say Flupa after they see a yellow sign wins. So like boom, there's one, and you say Flupa. I'm really bad at this.